You know that's not going to help your eyes, you know. Never mind. I'm going to show you an easy tutorial on how to protect your eyes during hay fever season. If you ask me, hay fever is the one allergy which I hate so much during summer. But I figured out a way just to protect your eyes so easily. All you need is like some hay fever eye drops and Vaseline. First, remove any contact lenses or glasses, because you just need your eyes so you can put the stuff in. So you need to put in a good choice of hay fever drops. For a few minutes, roll your eye around inside the cup. You need to get all the areas so you can protect yourself from hay fever very well. And trust me, you really need to protect yourself. So once you've done that for a few minutes, get a bit of tissue and dab any very wet areas. Next you get the Vaseline out and rub it around your eye. So it's like a shield just to protect your eyes. But make sure the Vaseline doesn't go in your eye. So don't worry about this bit. It doesn't sting your eye when it's in your eye. It does not sting, alright? Once you've done that eye, you need to do the other eye. It's better to have full protection. Now overnight the Vaseline will get into your eye somehow, but don't worry, it can easily be taken out. All you need is just push your lower eyelid upwards and then it will go into your middle eye. It will go in the middle and you can easily pull it out. It's pretty disgusting to do, but you don't want gunky eyes. You really don't want to have gunk in your eyes because it will feel irritating. So that's my tutorial on how to protect your eyes from hay fever the easy way.